G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about the mind game of trading. We had just an absolute monster week on gold. We had parabolic trades in the long direction, day 1, day 2, day 3 up, and then they pull the rug out on Friday and we have a 300 pip drop through the floor. So traders have asked before, what do you mean by lifting the offers and pulling the bids? Isn't it amazing how it goes up by the stairwell and down by the elevator? And we had other big moves on currencies, day 3 moves. We had large moves on oil. But one of the things that you have to, or I had to train myself, was to be patient and understand when to identify the best trade setups, and then also which ones were the ones to add into, to hold on to, and also when to walk away once you've locked in the money. Because trading can be like a drug, it can be addictive, and traders will see lots of movement and they'll be trying to trade that. And I put on that chart today, do not counter trend gold. It's Friday, it's dropping like a stone. We had day 3 longs trapped up high, and so traders are trying to scalp in and out of the market, and this is the type of market that can do a lot of damage, and that's because it may not come back the entire day, and traders are expecting it to swing up, stop into lower level shorts, and it might, but it's a 50-50 trade as opposed to taking a 90-10 trade setup with size, locking in that money and calling it a day, or holding on to a trailer and then locking that in at the end of the session. Because you can come back next week with that in your account and do the same thing. Opening range, initial balance, day 1, day 2, day 3. There may be scalps in there. There may be high of day, low of day opportunities. There may be parabolic day 2 trend trades. There may be parabolic day 3 trend trades. But why try and risk it on 50-50 trades? Why try to gamble in markets that could potentially do more damage than good? And so when you understand that and you step back and go, I can make a lot of money on parabolic trades, a lot of money, and I can make a lot of money on high of week, low of week reversal trades. I can make a lot of money on low of week, high of week reversal trades. And I can make a lot of money just by sitting and waiting for those 90-10 opportunities. And that's when you realize, if you just step back and let the market set up, if you take a trade, a session scalp, using size that isn't going to be stressful or damaging, but when you have an identified 5-star opportunity, knowing when to hold and add into, knowing when to take money out, knowing when to leave a trailer, and knowing when not to try and counter trend a market that may not come back for the entire session. It's a mind game. So these are the things that I had to work on, and I think continuously you need to work on them, because you can go on a hot streak, you can over leverage, you can begin to overtrade, or you can train your brain to understand that the only setups that you take are flawlessly perfect best trade setups that are 90-10 opportunities. So hopefully traders had a great week. We had some absolutely monster moves, and I think we're going to see again more large opportunities present next week, the week after, and the week after that. Keep it going and keep it growing, traders. 1% better every single day. Have a great weekend, and may the markets go with you.